Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to add favicon in your blogger. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, I don't want to waste your time. If you want to add a favicon in blogger, simply follow my steps. First of all, go to your blogger website. Okay, as you can see here, go directly on the left side to settings. That's it. Okay, here guys, in the basic section, go down to favicon. As you can see, that's it, and click here. Okay, choose a file to upload as a favicon. Okay, here I will upload this one. I was updated previously. Okay, that's it. Be attention. You should to upload a square PNG file or JPEG file to upload it successfully. Okay, that's it, guys. As you can see here, when you finish, refresh your website. As you can see, we have here a new favicon. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.